Okay, so now let's look at the open-ended questions. Study the diagram below. We have a Bunsen burner with a flame, so there's a source of heat here. It's water in a flask. There's a glass tubing that leads to a pinwheel. So let's see. Looking at the question, if you read the question, you can pause the video if you would like to take time to read the question. Okay, so if you look at the question, you know that this is a question on heat, right? So now we know that this is the source of heat, okay? Because there's the flame there. So this is the source of heat. Then what would happen to the water after some time? After some time, the water would be also be hot. And when we know that when water gains heat, water will evaporate. Okay, and when water evaporates, it expands. I mean, the air inside here expands. So the evaporated water or the steam would be traveling up the glass tubing. Okay, so it will be moving towards the glass through the glass tubing, escaping here, right? And going towards the pinwheel. Okay, so this is what's going to happen. We have the water absorbing heat, and there will be steam, and the steam will be moving. Alright, and when the steam moves, it will travel upwards through the glass tubing and towards the pinwheel. So, but we know that this is a question on energy, and because this is a question on energy, we have to think of it in terms of scientific words that is using energy, right? So we have uh, the heat energy being absorbed by the water. The water after absorbing the heat energy converts, or sorry, evaporates and change into steam, and the water is changed into steam. Steam moves, so there is kinetic energy there, right? And the steam is hot, so the steam has two forms of energy, okay? And as it moves, there's kinetic energy, and it hits the pinwheel as it rushes through, and the pinwheel will also be turning. So when a turning pinwheel would also have kinetic energy, right? Why? We know that kinetic energy is the energy of movements, right? Or anything that moves, okay, anything that pushes or pulls has kinetic energy, right? And steam has heat energy, and heat energy is form of energy that makes things hot. Okay, so with that, what would happen to the pinwheel after some time? The pinwheel would be moving. Okay, so what do we say? We say that the moving steam would cause the pinwheel to turn. Alright. Okay, and what would happen to the what would there be in water? It would be heat energy. And what energy would there be in the moving steam? There would also be heat energy, but this time it's moving, so there's kinetic energy. And the pinwheel will also be moving, and therefore there's also kinetic energy. Okay, feel free to pause if I'm going too fast, or rewind or replay if you don't understand what my explanation is. Alright, and answer the worksheet accordingly. Thank you.